We got a call that the bulls were out. The main purpose for the visit today is to find them, secure the fence, and get them back on the farm.
It's Western GQ. We out here at the farm, and this is how we do it, man. We got a family farm here, Malakoff, Texas. That's how we do it. Western GQ, full of passion and a whole lot of fashion.
I know that's right.
How you play the game with the people that writing the rules? Ain't the fame that I'm after when paying the dues. I've been through the pain that's reflected in the attitude. Might be winning now, but the thing is that I had to lose. So go and tell me what you really want to do. And lonely at the top, cause there ain't a lot of room. Ain't no other option, that's all I ever knew. So I'ma get it poppin', you know how I'ma do. I've been down through the blood and the sweat. Guarantee you can know I'm a threat. I've been down through the blood and the sweat, and I ain't close to being done yet, I'm going on it.
There we go, Western GQ. We out here at the farm. We got the horses and we got the cow. It's time to feed them up. Long time no see. They won't let me touch them. Sometimes they will. Sometimes they won't. Let them girls go right there. They pretty. But what you got going on, Coach?
Man, trying to get some work done for you dang cattle and horses.
Yeah, it's a little work to it, huh?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
There's a little work to it. It's all peaches and cream. We trying to kick. We trying to kick the truck. Yeah, I'm gonna kick the truck. Tyrone.
Oh,
Go on in there, man.
get out of the way.
Get out of the way. You're not that guy. No, you need to get it.
You don't need it in that. Think that's gonna be enough? Yeah, we go find them and then run them back in. They'll show us what they got at. Okay. We go down here and start down here. They probably don't have power where they were last time. That's why they go here. They done where that green grass is. Oh yeah.
Tyrone is Dad's right-hand handyman.
I see him.
Anytime there's anything needed to be done around the farm, Dad doesn't hesitate to give him a call.
Big Leo.
Bull got out.
Yeah, the black one. He gotta be out because he ain't running up here getting no feed. Place to be here. Going down the most. Hold him up right there. That's good.
We found the 3 bulls, but we quite don't know where they got out. Using his wisdom, Tyrone herded the cows, knowing that they would lead us right back where they made the hole in the fence.
There's show to you right there.
He found out where he getting out
I
at.
got a big old spot. No. Cause I fixed this last
My
time.
big cousin and my daddy.
Then they come over here. And they broke another spot. Them bulls the one doing them other cows, ain't there was 3 bulls together right there. See right here? Uh-huh. We put their ass on this side over here, I'm just saying. Then we come down and put some wire across here.
Yeah.
Wire. Them bulls the one doing. They gonna keep doing it till we get rid of them.
I see you.
Well, those 3 got to go, Papa. I need to come down here one day. Yeah, but yeah. They got a big ass hole in that thing. They just made that.
Yeah. Well,
They get out when they get ready.
that's what
They were eating that green grass. Everybody looking, they didn't want to fight. pond of dirt. They done piled that whole pile of dirt up over there. Oh, boo.
All right. That's what they getting out at?
Right here. Right there.
Right there?
Yeah. Yeah, holes in there.
Yeah, so what we got to do?
I'm gonna run some wire from here, put a steel post in here, and run some wire from here to that.
Oh,
With
okay.
a couple string.
Yeah, so that's going to fix the problem.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey, that's Cowboy 101. Get on back. Get on back. Get on back. Get on back. Yeah. Shit, yeah.
Hey, mama.
Get on back.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know yet.
There, you got the horses?
I got it.
Put them in there. There they come, there they come. That's what I want, Ren. Come on, horse.
It rained last night, so the property is a little muddy. Trying to jump over the mud, Dad missed his mark. Don't quite have the skills like he
Yeah, that's your beat stuff. See that?
I don't watch off, man.
You want me to be mad at you?
I'm trying to move this stuff right here. This board so you can stand on this board.
I would. Oh,
But just walk the tightrope
that's what I
and
did.
swing around right here.
I get on out of there now. I get out of there now.
Come on here with me. Here, close.
Hey.
Come on back. Keep the cows back like close this.
All right, get out of here. Get out of here.
Derek, I need you to get the cows back, man.
The cows back. I get them back. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get on. Get on. Hey. Combining modern fashion with Western clothing creates a hybrid style identified as Western GQ. Western GQ is not just fashion, but it's the total personality and expression of passionate people that are doing extraordinary things. The highlight of my day is when I get a chance to ride. Cinnamon, my 12-year-old Tennessee Walker, hey, she loves it too. So pretty. Quit laughing. What's up, Mr. Willie?
What's happening, man?
What's going on, man? I got you on tape, baby.
Yes, sir.
Let me turn it around. Here we go. Yeah, got me on.
Show you right. Show you right.
Ah. Whoa. Hey, Western GQ for the passion and a whole lot of fashion.